Aqua International. I am Nilamarajana speaking. This is a combo presentation of political science and Indian history, collected on different examination conducted by in India. And these questions are generally related to type of question asked in Indian Public Service Commission Civil Service Preliminary. If you get one or two options after four, you can easily guess what is the correct answer. Now coming to audio. Audio every time is different from the video. So audio is 1857 fast in rising against British government. Main causes: political causes, economic causes, socio-religious causes, military cause, and immediate cause. War and consequence, subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapse, humiliation to successor Mughals. India was governed from the foreign land. Suspension of pension like Rani Jindal and Nana Sahib. Administrative cause, introduction new administrative structure in India. Loss of benefit and privileges, exclusion of Indians from the higher administrative position. Then ruin of mercantile, heavy land revenue, destruction of Indian Indian manufacturing class, pressure on land, exploitation of European plantation. That means Indian agriculture, Indian administrative structure, Indian industrial sector was managed as per the requirement of British interest. So agriculture and industry and handicap was ruined. They made only due for the benefit of the English interest, and sometimes they put duty to make the Indian product costlier. Social causes cause social extensibility, social legislation, Indian civilization was endangered. The influence of Pandit and Maulavi was reduced. Then General Service Enlistment Act 1857 and disparity of Indians and British soldiers stationed in India, and disparity also in severe disparity on salary. And the immediate cause. The immediate cause is grease cartridge incident. The cartridge they supposed to made by the skin is made by the cow and pig, which are both are auspicious to Muslims and Hindus. They thought that people want to ruin their religion. That is the first point of the triggered the incident. And 19 infantry station at Berhampur, February 26, 1857, and 34th native infantry station at Barakpur, 20th March 1857. Here led by the Mangal Pandey, the revolution led by the Mangal Pandey at Barakpur, 20th April 1857, and 19 native infantry station of Berhampur in February 18 was disbanded because due to this incident. And who are the leaders? The leaders in Delhi, General Bakat Khan, military commander, General Bakat Khan, and against were the Nicholson and Hodgson. Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal, and against British commander Colin Campbell and Henry Lawrence. Jhansi and Gwalior, Rani Lakshmibai Tantia Tope, against the British commander Hugh Roach. Kanpur, Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Ajmullah Khan. Here the British commander General Havelock and Colin Campbell. Allahabad, Liaquat Ali. Here the British commander James Neal. Faizabad, Maulana Ahmadullah. Here British commander James Neal. Jagdishpur, Babu Kanwar Singh, Amar Singh. Here British commander William Taylor and William Eyre. Bareilly, Khan Bahadur Khan. Here the British commander Winston Eyre. Why they failed? Because Why they failed? Because there is no unity among themselves. There is no unity at all. Because Hindu Muslims don't believe, because only for this Greece countries incident they are somewhat united. The poor organization, lack of coordination among the leaders. Telegraph service was kept commander chief info about every incident of the rebellions. Lack of unity among the Indians. Many ruling chiefs and big jamidars actively helped the British. The modern educated Indian also did not support. And neither the leaders of the North Sipais were inspired by any high ideas of patriotism and nationalism. These are reasons why they suffered. Then what happens? So happens, Crown took over, company rule abolished, Queen's proclamation altered the administration, and racial hatred and white mutiny. And what is the opinion of that time's people? R.C. Majumdar Ascension, not an organized national revolt. R.C. Majumdar neither first nor national war of independence. V.D. Savarkar, war of independence. Eric Stokes, elitist in character. Lawrence Shirley Moore, Sipai mutiny. Conclusion: not quite the first war of independence, but sowed the seeds of nationalism, quest for freedom from the alien rule. Okay, but there is no unity, nothing, but it happens, spontaneous movement happened to the Greece country incident, but it created awareness among the masses, because what is the attitude of the British government. Then that was again rekindled by the first phase of agitation by the moderate 1885 to 1925. As a result, next the mass movement which result in the independence of India. Thank you. If you like, please surprise it and put the bell. Thank you.